Rewire your mind. Positive sleep affirmations for wealth attraction. In a world where stress and negative thoughts can dominate our daily routines, the concept of positive affirmations has gained widespread recognition as an effective tool for personal growth and transformation. Among the various applications, a powerful practice that is often overlooked is the use of positive sleep affirmations for wealth attraction. During sleep, our minds are particularly receptive, making it an ideal time to instill thoughts and beliefs that can help us manifest our desires, including financial abundance. Understanding sleep affirmations. Sleep affirmations are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves before drifting off to sleep. The subconscious mind is highly active during sleep, absorbing information and beliefs even when we are not consciously aware of it. By incorporating affirmations geared toward wealth attraction into our nightly routine, we can rewire our minds to embrace abundance and attract prosperity. The power of repetition. The effectiveness of affirmations lies in repetition. By consistently affirming your beliefs about wealth and abundance, you can reshape your mindset over time. When practiced regularly, sleep affirmations can help dissolve limiting beliefs, reduce anxiety around finances, and create a more positive outlook on money. The science behind affirmations. Research in psychology suggests that positive affirmations can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall psychological well-being. By focusing on positive affirmations for wealth attraction, we are not just daydreaming about wealth, we are engaging in a cognitive restructuring that encourages us to visualize and feel the abundance we desire. Creating your wealth attraction affirmations. When formulating sleep affirmations, it's essential to ensure they are positive, present tense, and personal. Here are some examples to inspire you. 1. I am worthy of abundance and success. 2. Money flows to me effortlessly and in abundance. 3. I attract wealth and opportunities each day. 4. I am open to receiving financial blessings from unexpected sources. 5. I am grateful for the financial freedom I enjoy. 6. Every day, I am becoming more successful. 7. I attract prosperity by staying aligned with my purpose. 8. My financial success positively impacts the lives of others. 9. I am a magnet for wealth and opportunities. 10. I visualize my dream life and work towards it with confidence. Customizing your affirmations. Feel free to tweak these examples or create your own. Tailoring your affirmations to reflect your personal goals and values makes them more impactful. When crafting your affirmations, focus on aspects of wealth you desire, such as financial security, freedom, and the lifestyle you wish to achieve. How to use sleep affirmations. Implementing sleep affirmations in your nighttime routine is a simple process. Here's how to do it. Set the mood. Create a calming environment in your bedroom. Dim the lights, play soothing music or nature sounds, and eliminate distractions. Relax. Spend a few minutes meditating or practicing deep breathing to calm your mind and body. This helps put you in a receptive state for affirmations. Choose your affirmations. Select a few affirmations that resonate with you. Write them down or have them ready on your phone or in a notebook. Repeat in your mind. As you lay in bed, close your eyes, and repeat your affirmations mentally or out loud. Visualize yourself living the reality your affirmations describe. Feel the emotions associated with that wealth and abundance. Drift off to sleep. Allow yourself to drift off with these positive thoughts in your mind. Focus on the feelings of abundance and gratitude as you enter sleep. Conclusion. Rewiring your mind for wealth attraction through positive sleep affirmations is a transformative practice that requires patience and consistency. By embedding these positive beliefs in your subconscious, you set the stage for abundance to flow into your life. Remember, creating a wealth-attracting mindset is a journey, and integrating affirmations into your nightly routine can significantly enhance your ability to manifest financial success. As you embark on this journey, allow yourself to dream big, trust the process, and embrace the abundant life that awaits you. Sleep well, affirm your worth, and wake up ready to attract the wealth you deserve.